Hey up everyone, right, we're back on the kitchen extension, and as you can see now, I'm fully boarded, almost. That's where my new window's going to go in there, but I've just stuck a little bit of insulation in there just to stop the heat escaping. I want to get this place nice and warm. Keeping the door open on the kitchen. This will eventually go, but not quite yet. I've just marked out my kitchen. Now, I'll just show you what we've got. I've marked up all where my sockets are going. They're getting a little bit higher than that because this line here is the worktop finish. I've got a 600 unit going in there and a thousand that comes across, and that's the end of the end panel. 20mm spacer left for the end panel. Then you got your freezer, your fridge, end panel, larder. This is what you end up with for your washing machine, and this is what I'm going to install now. That's going to go straight out the wall like that. Just got to core a hole, got me core bits here. That standpipe waste was only 10 quid. I had a little bit of black pipe on the roof. I've knocked that brick out there for this. You can see I'm already ready in there to come through. Gonna knock that out. Gonna use some solvent cement on this pipe. This is the pipe I'm using, 1.5" I think it is. Solvent cement, put that on the pipe, drop that straight down into the drain. Then my washer, really, my washer can come out. I mean, I've still got power in here. The problem with this wall is now I'm waiting for the sparky to come because I need him to connect everything up. So what I'm going to do as well is I'm going to get all my sockets cut out. So there's a socket there, I know there's a socket there, there's a socket here to go in, 2 over here, there's 1 down there to go in. Somebody did mention that this would be a nightmare for the kitchen fitters to install, but I've marked everything off as I went through, and I'm installing the kitchen myself. You don't need a kitchen fitter to screw a few cupboards together at all. Hence, you can see that this one is the one that we did a while ago. But I've got all my stuff, got my larders, got everything, all my doors, got my dishwasher. So I'm near the point now where I can start installing this kitchen really. But what I did need to do, I wanted to get this ceiling skimmed first. The only problem I've got, because I haven't got rid of this door, I've had a new door, and the same with this door, and got a new window, I can't really skim the ceiling because I've got no edge to go to, and I can't get this finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna install the kitchen anyway, get it all in. Most of this back wall will be tiled in the in between panels. I'm going to do it the same as the tiling I've got in the kitchen, which is all herringbone. These are a really nice tile. I think they're about 54 quid a metre, or they were. They're not cheap. And then it's literally just skim this wall, dry line that, and get these other bits done. I know what intervals my spots are at, so I can cut my spots out after, like I did in the garden room. And that's where we're up to. So that is a quick update of what I've done so far. So that's boarding, insulating, pipe work's done, and obviously I'm going to get this piped in after. But that's where I'm at.